Hi, I'm Katja. Lately I have seen that tweed hair is growing in popularity. Today I'm gonna share my tips how to create this tweed look. So let's have a look how to achieve tweed hair on any client. As you can see, Federica has contrasting dark roots and very light ends. So to create a more harmonious tweed look, I will introduce more light on the regrowth area, especially around the face. It's different to your classic balayage because the contrast between light and dark areas is more subtle and the highlights are finer. I'm taking bigger pieces and backcomb them slightly at the back. And when going towards the top and hairline, I will go for finer sections and weaves. I'm choosing to use foils as it gives me more control, but you can also achieve it with the freehand technique. For amazing shine and to show off all the beautiful tonalities in the hair, I'm toning with Color Touch. After toner, I use ColorMotion Express After Color Treatment, which strengthens the hair structure while improving color molecules retention. I'm using Perfect Setting on the roots and mid-lengths. So here is my final look. Please leave a comment below what you think.